Hi all, once again welcome to computer class. In this class we are going to discuss about chapter 6, that is logo for mathematics. In this chapter first we will discuss containers, after that we will discuss if statement. Okay, let us start. Now we are going to discuss about container. Do you know what is container? Yes, container is a name of the memory location to store text or a number. Okay, once again, what is container? Yes, container is the name of the memory location to store text or a number. Okay, you look at the screen. For that, we have to use make command. Make. M-A-K-E. Okay. M-A-K-E. Make. Then space. After that, container, that is container means it's a name of the memory location. Okay, here I use a as the container. Okay, for that you have to type double quotes a. Okay, then space 5. Okay, then press enter key. Then what happened here? A is the name of the memory location, or we can say that A is a container. Then 5 is a number. That number is assigned or stored in the A. Clear? If you want to see the value of A, two options are there. You have to use print. P-R-I-N-T. Print colon A. Okay. Then next option, show. S-H-O-W. Show space colon A. Okay, clear? Once again, if you want to assign a value, if you want to store a value in a variable or container, you have to use double quotes. That is make double quotes A, then space 5. If you want to see the value, what you have to do, or if you want to take the value from the variable or container, you have to use colon. Okay. Here 5 is a number. Suppose next I want to assign a text in a variable. For that what I have to do? Yes, for that I have to type make. M-A-K-E. Make space. Here I use a variable or container as B. Okay, if you want you can use any name. Here I use B. Make space double quotes B space. If it is text, you have to first type double quotes Reena. Okay. Yes. Before Reena, why I type double quotes? Because Reena is a text. That's why. Okay. Then press enter key. If you want to take the value from B, or if you want to print the value of B, you have to use print. P-R-I-N-T. Print space. Yes. Colon B. Okay. Clear? Now I hope all of you understood what is container. Yes, container is a name of the memory location to store a number or a text. Then storing a value in a container is known as assignment. For that, which command we have to use? Yes, we have to use make command, that is make space double quotes container, then space value. Okay, once again make space double quotes container, then space value. Okay, if it is string, yes, you have to first you have to type double quotes, then string or text. Okay, suppose I want to assign Reena. For that what I have to do? Yes, then in that case first I have to type double quotes, then Reena. Okay, next we are going to discuss about mathematical functions. I hope all of you know what are the basic mathematical functions. Yes, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The MSW logo also support all these mathematical functions. Okay, for addition, yes, it use plus, then for subtraction it use minus symbol, then for multiplication it use star. In MSW logo we use star operator, then for division we use slash. Okay, now I will show the example. Look at the screen. Here I am going to create two containers or two variables. For that, what I have to use? Yes, make double quotes n1. Here my first container is n1. Okay, n1 container name should be start with the alphabet. Okay, after that if you want you can use number, no matter. Here my container is n1, so here I type double quotes n1, then space 5. Okay, then press enter key. That means inside the n1 we store 5. Okay, then next make double quotes n2. Here the second container is n2, then space 2. Okay, yes, here two variables or containers are there. First one is n1, second one is n2. Inside the n1 we store 5, then inside the n2 we store what? 2. Now I want to add these two numbers. For that what I have to do? Yes, for take the value of the container I have to use colon. Yes, then print print colon n1 plus colon n2. Okay, then what happened? Yes, it will take the value of n1 and n2. After that it will add, then print the answer. Okay, yes, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, next I want to find out the difference between n1. I want to find out n1 minus n2. For that, yes, print colon n1 minus colon n2. Yes, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Can you see the answer? Okay, next I am going to multiply it. For that, print then colon n1 star. For that you have to hold on the shift key, then press 8, number 8, then you will get star, then colon n2. Yes, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Okay, next I want to divide n1 by n2. For that, print colon n1, yes, slash colon n2. Okay, 5 by 2 is equal to, yes, 2.5. Clear? Now I am going to do a program. The question is, write a logo program to find the sum of 6 numbers. 6 numbers. For that, yes, for that how many containers I want? 6 containers for 6 numbers. Okay, yes, then I have to type make space double quotes n1 space, yes, here my first number is 4 and 1, then again make double quotes n2, here my second number is 5, then make double quotes n3 space 6, my third number is 6, then make double quotes and 4 space 7, make double quotes and 5 space 8, then make double quotes and 6 space 9. Okay. After that, I have to add the values of n1, n2, n3 up to n6. Okay. Here, I am going to add these numbers. After that, I assign that answer into another variable. You look at the screen. For that, I have to use make. M-A-K-E, make. Here, my another container is sum. So, double quotes sum space colon n1. Why I use colon? For take the value from container. Okay, n1 plus colon n2 plus colon n3 plus colon n4 plus colon n5 plus colon n6. Okay, here the system will add the numbers of the value of n1 to n6. After that, it assign or it store that answer in the variable or container sum. Okay, yes. After that, print colon sum. Okay, here the answer is 39. Okay. In Mswlogo, if you want, you can compare the values like greater, lesser, equal, etc. Okay, for that you have to use if command. If command is used to test conditions like equal to, less than, greater than. Okay, or if you look at the screen, now I am going to check whether the value of A is equal to 5. Here A is a container. Okay, I want to check the condition if A is equal to 5. For that, first I have to assign a value, make double quotes A is equal to 5. Yes, enter. Then I want to check whether the value of A is equal to 5. Okay, if it is condition, you have to use if statement. If I want to take the value from A, so I have to use colon A is equal to 5. If it is true, I want to print yes. So in the first bracket, I have to type print double quotes yes. Why double quotes? Because yes is a string. Okay, here yes, here the output is yes. What's the reason? Because the value of A is equal to 5. That's why the first bracket will work. Okay, that's why I get yes as a output. Sometimes we have to mention what is to be done if the condition is false. For that, we have to use if-else statement. Okay, or if you look at the screen, now I am going to type if else colon A is equal to 5. If the condition is true, yes, I want yes as a output. So in the first bracket, I am going to type print double quotes yes. If the condition is false, I want the output as no. So in the second bracket, I am going to type print no. Okay, now I am going to press enter key. Here the output is yes. What is the reason? Because the value of A is equal to 5. So control moves to the first bracket. So we get the output as yes. Now I am going to type if else a is equal to 6. Okay, then print yes or else print no. Now I am going to press enter key. Yes, now the output is no. What's the reason? Because the value of a is not equal to 6. So the control moves to the second bracket, then we get the output as no. Okay, if the condition is true, the first bracket will work, or if the condition is false, what happened? Yes, the second bracket will work. Now I hope all of you understood what is the difference between if and if else. I hope all of you understood what is container, then what is if statement and if else statement. Yes or no? Yes. Container is a name of the memory locations to store a value or a text. Okay, then if statement is used to check any condition. Okay, sometimes we have to mention what is to be done if the condition is false. In that case, yes, we have to use if else statement. Clear? I hope all of you understood this chapter. Okay, thank you.